Hi friends, I'm John Laspina, your carnivore teacher. Today I'm going to do a demonstration on how to put beef tallow on your skin, and in my case on my head and my beard, because I'm a bald guy, but you can also apply this anywhere on your body. Now, a lot of people spend money and they buy really nice beef tallow based creams and lotions that are very healthy, that have essential oils to give them a nice fragrance, and the manufacturer whipped it up and pumped air into it so that it's creamy and you can rub it on your skin and everything. And I priced a lot of those, and I actually bought one and tried it out. It was a lot of money for this little jar, and I thought, I'm not going to be doing this. This is too expensive. So I learned that the natural oils in our skin is called sebum. From the word sebum, we get tallow, beef tallow, pork lard, and it's very similar to our own human skin because they're animals and we are an animal. So what I do is I put beef tallow on my skin. And that's all I do. I don't mix it with anything. I don't add essential oils. I don't blend it or anything. And I want to show you what I do. I got this at Walmart. This is beef tallow. It's organic and it's grass-fed. It's made from grass-fed beef. Okay, you can see that it's yellow. And this particular fat comes from around the organs of the animal. So it's real beef tallow from the organs, the best kind. And, I'm kind of down to the bottom of this jar, but you can see it's kind of pale yellowish cream color, and it's a solid at room temperature, which means it's mostly a saturated fat, but it's not so hard that you need to chisel it. Okay, you can scoop it. I scooped it out and put it into this little jar so that I can have access to it with my fingers. So right now I'm going to take this beef tallow right here, came from that jar, and I'm going to apply some to my skin. I'm going to take about that much, and I don't want to put it on yet because it's kind of gloppy. I want to heat it up in the palms of my hands. So I put it in the palms of my hands like this, and I go like this, really hard and really fast, and generating heat until it's pretty much liquefied, okay, which it is. And then I apply it to my head after a shower, because I'm a bald guy. If you have hair, you don't do this. You can put it on your face. I put it on my neck after I've shaved, like this. I do it in my eyebrows, all here where my crow's feet are when I smile. And it gives a nice, and it does have an odor. It smells like beef tallow, but the smell goes away in about 5 or 6 minutes. You walk around the house, it's on your skin, and it kind of went away a little bit. All right, it goes away. It doesn't smell like that. A lot of people don't like the smell. They put essential oils in it, which you could even do with this. Now I take another glop, maybe about that much, okay? And I do the same thing, and I'm a dude with a beard, all right? And instead of buying beard oil, guys, they're very expensive, beard oils, and they have all kinds of oil in it. Do the same thing and just rub it on your beard, mustache, like this. Then I don't have it with me right now, but I'll take my beard comb, and I'll brush my beard. We're done. Now, my hands are greasy. I rub the rest on my arm, like this, and on my arm like this, right? You can put it anywhere you want on your body because remember, beef tallow, it's almost the same as the sebum in your skin. It's not a chemical from a factory. It's a natural saturated fat from an animal. Here's another one, Wagyu beef tallow, and it's lighter in color. You can also use pig lard. Now, I thought about using bacon grease. I actually tried bacon grease, right? And that odor, which I love, didn't go away. I smelled like bacon all day, so I don't use bacon grease. But you can use just pig lard, which is bacon, it's fat, but it doesn't have that smoked flavor all over your skin. And, if you think you applied a little too much, right, you feel a little greasy and slippery, take a paper towel and lightly wipe a little bit off, is all you have to do, okay? Or you can do it this way. Now, I'm going to tell you something really personal. I hope YouTube doesn't cut me off and delete my account for this, but after I take a shower, and I'm going to say this in the most diplomatic and clean way possible, after I take a shower and I use Tallow soap, which I bought, that could be another video I could talk about. After I apply my non-aluminum deodorant on my skin that I bought, I rub the beef tallow on my bald head and face and in my beard, and my hands are left over. And what I do is I will rub the rest on my private parts. And then I noticed I don't sweat as much down there. I don't have an odor down there as much because it's kind of coating the skin down there. Okay, I said that in such a way that I didn't get in trouble, I hope. You don't have to do that, but that's what I do. I just told you a secret about what I do with the rest of my beef tallow that I rub on my face and beard. So ladies and gentlemen, beef tallow is like the sebum of our skin. It's so healthy and natural and original and close to our own body oils and fats. And your body is going to absorb it into your skin, and there's no chemicals. It's pure beef tallow. So I recommend, if you don't want to spend the money to buy all the fancy creams that they sell out there with beef tallow, just buy beef tallow in the jar. How much did I pay for this? I think it was like $8. And it's going to last forever. I mean, it's just full, right? When I go on trips, I pack this in my suitcase. And if I'm on an airplane, you know, this is too much, and they will consider this a liquid, even though it's semi-solid, semi-liquid. I take a smaller container and I fill it with beef tallow that's small enough to take on an airplane. And that works because I want to take it with me when I'm traveling. I want to apply it every time I finish taking a shower. By the way, I only put this on after I take a shower. If I don't shower the next day, I just kind of judge, is my skin really dry? I'll add a little bit on. If it's not, I'm fine. Same thing with the beard. I want all that to get under the hair follicles and into the skin. By the way, I don't break out with acne. I don't have any allergic reaction because it's very similar to my own sebum. No acne with this. If you rub coconut oil on yourself, you will break out because it clogs your pores. Not beef tallow. It's pretty cool stuff. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And thanks for stopping by. I hope I see you in my next video. Have a great day.